I'm a listener by nature. We lived in many countries of the former Soviet Union, so understanding the local context and being able to listen, even without speaking the language, was how I learned how to connect to the world around me. My name is Liza Loidolt. I'm the General Manager of Cell and Gene Therapies at Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies. Listening is essential at this juncture in where our industry is going because it's becoming more and more complex as an ecosystem. If you think about where cell and gene therapy companies operate, they have research partners, they have funders who support their innovation, they have payers, they have providers, patients and families. There's a lot of influencing around them and a lot of different pain points and pressure points that we as an instrument provider and solution provider have to understand in order to be relevant in that ecosystem. The expectation that our customers have of us is to be true partners on their own journey. And that is to help them reduce complexity of their processes, evolve their operations, reduce costs, improve speed to market, and control quality. So these are the 5 top things that we consistently hear from customers, what they would like an instrument provider to help them with. We have a privilege to operate in the whole continuum of cell therapy development. We start with apheresis collection, we have a cell expansion device, we have welding, and we have a fill and finish technology that we support our customers with. So anywhere on that continuum, customers have come to us with a very specific problem that they're trying to solve. For example, we had a customer who had a problem with their apheresis collection. It's a customer who already had a product in the market, so the pressure was on. They had patients waiting, they had families depending on these therapies, but they couldn't collect enough of target cells. And knowing that Terumo is extremely specialized in that space with our spectroptry device, they came and asked the question, can you help us collect more of these target cells? And we've developed a specialized protocol for them that was specifically targeting the cells that they needed in their downstream manufacturing operations. So the early results are extremely encouraging, and we hope to be able to offer that protocol to other companies as well. I think the customers expect us to bring value beyond equipment. Gone are the days when you can just provide an instrument to them, a set of disposables, and call yourself a reliable partner. I think the customers want services, they want the software, right? They want analytics, they want on-site support, connectivity to the device. So we're spending a lot of time thinking about how does this all fit together. And when we don't have a device that supports a particular process step in cell and gene therapy development, we bring partners to the workflow solution. For example, we have a blueprint right now that we're working on in our Asia-Pacific market where the team really listened to the market. They mapped out the needs that the market has. They've thought about this and they thought about the right partners to solve this problem, and they brought these partners to the fold. So we've tested this entire workflow in the lab. It works. We've costed it out with our partners so that it's not a cost-prohibitive solution that the customer simply can't absorb financially. We've spoken to a lot of our key opinion leaders. Would this work? What else is missing? How does that solve your problem? And as soon as we got the green light, we're about to offer this to our customers who want to develop their own CAR-Ts at the point of care at their hospitals, closer to where patients get treated. I think it's an amazing example of us listening, of us going beyond the device, of us going regional, understanding what the market needs, and of us going fast, right? We didn't spend time in our own lab developing all of these devices. We've gone out to the market and we've talked to those who already have those devices, and we brought that into one solution for our customers. We really want to be known as a partner who listens, who partners, and who solves problems. So our invitation to our customers is, don't struggle alone. Find us at a trade show, find us on our website, reach out to our field application specialists, reach out to us through our scientific collaborators. We're here, we want to be helpful, we want to understand their challenges, and we want to be part of their journey.